Today, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to a TCL Google TV. It's super easy and a great way to content or to share content on a bigger screen. Let's get started. First, make sure both your iPhone and TCL Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can check your Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone by going to Settings, tapping on Wi-Fi on on your TCL Google TV, go to Settings and then Network. Next, we'll use the Google Home app. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the App Store. Once you have the app open, tap on the device you want to mirror to. Now, tap on Cast My Screen at the bottom of the screen and then hit Cast Screen. This will initiate the mirroring process. Your iPhone will now start mirroring to your TCL Google TV. To stop mirroring, just go back to the Google Home Screen app and tap Stop Mirroring. You can also stop it from the control center on your iPhone by tapping Screen Mirroring and selecting Stop Mirroring. And that's it, you've successfully screen mirrored your iPhone to your TCL Google TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.